Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of Goodbudget's worldwide availability. Goodbudget is a personal finance app that uses the envelope budgeting method. This method helps you plan your spending by allocating your income into different categories, or envelopes. The app is available on the web, iOS, and Android devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. While Goodbudget is not officially restricted to specific countries, there are some limitations to be aware of. The automatic bank synchronization feature, which is part of the premium subscription, is primarily designed for U.S. banks. This means that users outside the United States will need to manually enter their transactions. However, the core functionality of the app, the envelope budgeting system, is not dependent on bank syncing. You can still use the app to track your income and expenses, manage your envelopes, and share a budget with others, no matter where you are in the world. As long as you are able to use the App Store in your country, you can download and use Goodbudget. So, to answer the question directly, Goodbudget is generally available worldwide, but its automatic bank sync feature is limited to the US. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.